Auto lock automatically turns off your iPhone's display after inactivity to save battery and enhance security. To change it, open the Settings app, then go to Display and Brightness. Tap Auto Lock to choose a timeout from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, or select Never. Shorter timeouts like 30 seconds or 1 minute help conserve battery, while longer ones might be convenient for reading or presentations. Be aware that selecting Never can significantly drain your battery and poses a security risk if you leave your phone unattended. Keep in mind that recent iOS updates have refined Auto Lock's integration with other features. For example, iOS 18 introduced improved battery optimization and standby mode, which interacts with Auto Lock. For most users, a setting of 1 to 2 minutes balances convenience and battery life. If you're concerned about privacy, consider a shorter timeout. Also, be aware that some users have reported minor glitches where auto lock resets after software updates, so it's a good idea to double-check your setting after updating iOS. iPhones with always-on display will dim but not fully lock, so you will still need to lock your phone to secure it.